Hey everybody, and welcome to the Indian Motorcycle Guy. Have you ever wondered how to adjust the preload on the shocks on your motorcycle? That's what we're going to talk about today, and this actually makes a massive difference. So if you're a bigger rider or you like riding two-up, stay tuned because this is going to make a huge change. In this example, we're going to be taking a look at the Fox piggyback shocks for the 2025 Indian Chief Dark Horse, but I also have the stock shocks with me so I can show that as well. So with respect to adjusting the preload, what we're talking about is this adjustment right here. So when you receive the shocks, at least mine came, and the preload was set to nothing. So it was backed all the way off. Now, me personally, I'm about 230, 6'4". I like riding two up, as most of you guys know. So I have my preload right now set at 11.65 millimeters. That's the compression that I have set. So the heavier rider you are, or the more weight that you have on your bike, whether it be a passenger or cargo, you're going to want to add compression. Lighter, you're going to want to remove compression. So now on the stock shocks, this is the stock shock that comes with it. You're going to have these two rings that are going to be located at the bottom. And then you're going to have this spanner wrench right here. So the bottom of the two rings is a lock ring. You're going to use the spanner one to back that off. And then you're going to use the spanner to either add or remove compression. What you're actually looking for is from center bolt to center bolt with the weight applied. You want about 310 mils is the distance that you want from center bolt to center bolt with the load applied to the motorcycle. So for me personally, with my myself on this and just a little bit of additional preload, what we're looking for is about 3.5 full rotations, giving us about 11.7 on the spanner, and depending on how you hold this, it goes back. So it's about 11.65 to 11.7. Now, something that's very important and why I use a digital caliper, if you are going to adjust the preload on your shocks, you're going to want to make sure that both sides are exactly the same. Guys, here on this side here, so you can see we're exactly the same. Or as close to 1/100th of a millimeter as you can get. All right, everybody. So to add or remove preload on your suspension, this is the Fox spanner wrench that they're given. There is actually a fourth tab that comes on this, but honestly, I find it to be kind of a pain in the ass to use it, so I just cut it off and use the 3. The trick to using the 3, it's a lot easier to get on. And then the trick is you just have to put the short side on the side that you're turning it. So right here, you just want to put it over top, slide it into place, and then you would add the twist, or then you can just flip it around and remove the twist. So that's how easy that is to do. Just make sure that you're matching it up on both sides. And then just again on this one quickly, there's this other spanner wrench that's provided by Indian for the stock shocks. So you just want to back this bottom lock nut off. This is just a lock nut. And then you're going to want to, this is your tensioner nut. So you're going to want to add tension for the heavier weight that's on the motorcycle, or remove tension for the lighter weight that's on the motorcycle. Make sure that when you're done, you torque back down the lock nut onto the tensioner nut, and you're good to go. So one other thing about adjusting the preload on your shocks here, if you're thinking that it's going to make your ride rougher, that's actually not correct. So what this actually does is it's going to change the geometry of your bike ever so slightly. In my case, this 11.65 mil adjustment actually raised up the back of my bike by about 3/4 of an inch, give or take. And then what it does here is on the inside, there's your piston, and it actually just keeps your piston in the optimal operating range without bottoming out or over compressing the piston that's inside. This compression on the spring is taking stress off of this. So this adjusting your preload will actually increase the longevity of the shocks, gives you a much more comfortable ride. So it's absolutely worth doing. How I like to describe it is it goes from if you're feeling like riding your motorcycle over a bumpy road is kind of like, riding an old car over a bumpy road, it's going to give you that brand new truck feeling that's meant to cruise over those streets is sort of a comparative. So if you're bottoming out, or if you're trying to get that more comfort performance feel out of these shocks, make sure you try to adjust your preload. The reason I'm making this video is I actually had a comment on one of our videos about somebody who is complaining about the Fox shocks. So I really hope this helps someone. It does make a dramatic difference. So for me personally, when I first got this bike, I took my wife for a ride on it, and she was bottoming out and complaining about how bad it was. And I said, I haven't tuned the suspension yet. So tuned the suspension up and took her for a spin. And she was saying, it feels like we're riding on a cloud. So absolute game changer for you. I really hope this helps someone. Check out some of our other videos if you haven't already. We also have playlists too. So if you want a little bit of music and you like what you're hearing on the channel, or if you just want to check out riding videos or maintenance videos, check out some of our playlists at the exact same time too. Got a whole bunch of other stuff out there. So again, like and subscribe. Another thing I wanted to say, we hit 5,000 subscribers in like under 3 months. So thank you guys so much. That tells me that you guys like what I'm doing and I want to keep doing it for you. So keep the feedback coming. If there's any videos or songs you want to hear or anything, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for all of your guys' time. Thank each and every one of you. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.